In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace old files in Premiere Pro. Hey guys, my name is Scott and I make full and mini tutorials like this one on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and freelancing tips. So please do consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any of those. Okay, let's get into how we can replace old files in Premiere. So I have my sequence here set to 1920 by 1080. And you'll notice there's an image of a baseball player taking a swing with his bat. Even though I want to use this image, it's obviously way too small for this sequence. So let's say I was either able to resize the image myself outside of Premiere, or maybe this is a client's project and they gave me an updated file with a higher resolution and now I want to update the small file with a newer, much larger one. Well, all I would need to do is go over to my project window and find the original image file, right-click on it, go down to Replace Footage, and find the newer file that I want to use. Once I select that, Premiere should update it with the newer, larger file. And that's it, it's that easy. Now the image I want to use is the perfect size for this sequence. Another example where the Replace File feature can come in handy is, let's say that we have this slideshow here. I've got a few images of some London landmarks, and I've already taken the time to have the images zoom in and out and crossfade exactly how I want it. But I found a mistake on one of the slides that I need to correct. This bridge here is not the London Bridge, it's actually the Tower Bridge, and I can't fix the text in Premiere because it's a part of the original image, so I'll have to go into Photoshop to correct it. But after that, at least I don't have to worry about having to redo this entire slideshow, which would be a huge pain, because all I would need to do is use the Replace File feature. So now I've gone into Photoshop and I've updated the slide, and now I'm ready to bring it back into Premiere. First, I'll go over to the original file, I'll right-click on it, and go down to Replace Footage. Now I'll click on the newer file, and once again Premiere should update it automatically. The great thing about this is, even the zoom in animations and crossfades stay exactly how they were with the older file, so I don't need to go back and try and redo this entire slideshow again, which is a huge time saver. So that's how you can replace old files in Premiere Pro. There's lots of ways that this feature can be used, from replacing old music and audio files to updating newer footage. How will you guys plan to use the Replace File feature? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share with anyone else who might also enjoy it. For more information on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and freelancing tips, head on over to my website at scottedwardfowler.com. Also, check out my other tutorials which I posted on the right side of the screen here. Alright, that's it for me guys, see you in the next video.